Hey guys, welcome to my mini vlog. I'm going to be making a honey lemon bread today, but first coffee. So I got this book from thriftbooks.com and I saw it on TikTok and I was like, I really need to find a book that has better recipes than what came with my bread maker. So this book is from 1989 and it's kind of funny because that's a long time ago, but this bread came out freaking beautiful. Just look at that. So I had to get another knife because my other knife was kind of dull. And just look how pretty, how spongy. If you guys want a more in-depth tutorial, just let me know.